MIAS 2022. Day 1 was so good that I had to come back for more.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away, you're all that I could see. You're all that I could see. When I could hardly walk on my own, I had to lift myself out of the...
So I went back to the last day of MIAS to shoot more cars. And of course, more models because you seem to like them very much. Like the first day, the last day of MIAS was also very packed.
I had you gone, right, you're all that you right, you're all that you. I had you gone, right, you're all that you.
Geely, I think, had one of the more interesting booths in the show. I like modified cars. Geely Fairview's owner also seems to like modified cars. Aside from their current lineup of vehicles, they also had units that you could buy modified straight out of the showroom floor. Brand new. So this right here is a one-off Geely Coolray that you can buy from Geely Fairview. It has 20-inch wheels, a big brake kit, an actual carbon fiber chin, a K&N performance air filter, carbon fiber side skirts, a carbon fiber diffuser, and a drift exhaust system with carbon tips.
Could hardly walk on my own. I had to lift myself out.
And a unique sky blue paint job. So like I said, this is a one-off. You can't buy this from anywhere else. I believe this sells for 1.2 plus million pesos. This is not the top of the line Coolray Sport though. This is just a premium, but with all the mods, I think it's a much better deal than the Coolray Sport. So I believe that there's a top bidder for this one already, but Geely Fairview said that they might be making another one. This is the Geely Emgrand with 20-inch wheels and a full sound setup. I think when modified like this, the Emgrand truly looks like a premium European car. This sells for just 998,000 pesos. That is ridiculous value for money. I believe this one is still available. Check my description for the contact details if you're interested.
I could wait 1,000 days. You never wait for me. You never wait for me. Even when I ran away.
Unlike the Coolray and the Emgrand, this Okavango is not a modified package that you can buy. But it does show off what you can do with your Okavango. Definitely the roof rails are strong enough to hold heavy cargo. Like I said, it's not a package that you can buy, but if you do want the roof tent, you can buy it separately for 59,000 pesos. From Geely, let's go to their sister company, Volvo. So this is the Volvo S90 Hybrid. It's definitely a looker. In terms of pricing, this competes with the 5 Series, but in terms of size, this is closer to the 7 Series. Volvos are known for safety, and this one is equipped with plenty of active and passive safety features. It has collision avoidance, automatic braking, steering assist, and a 360 collision avoidance system. This will sell for less than 5 million pesos, which is not bad considering that this is a full-size luxury sedan that's also a hybrid. So this right here is the Photon Thunder. Yup, that one right behind the model. So it's been completely redesigned. It is now powered by a 2-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 160 horsepower and 390 Newton meters of torque. It gets leather seats, a 10.25-inch screen, a 6-way power adjustable driver's seat. This variant is a 4x2 manual and it should sell between 1.1 to 1.2 million pesos. We'll try to do a full review of this, hopefully in the near future. So it's not just new cars that you could find at MIAS, you can also find classics. For you JDM fanboys out there, here are a couple of 90s legends. Here are a couple of R34 Skylines, R32, an S14 Silvia. Oh, it's a Nissan Sentra Coupe, R32 Skyline, R35 GTR, S15 Silvia, another R32. So that was the last day of MIAS 2022. It is nice to see so many people from the automotive world gathered in one place, all for the love of cars. And also models, but mostly cars.